Good afternoon, traders, and welcome to another edition of Awesome Calls set aside from time late next week. Talking about signing up for the annual. Yes, absolutely. Yeah, just reach out to me, Brian, and I'll DM you and say hi. That way you can talk to me direct. Okay. So yeah, um, want to sign up for an annual? Yeah, great, great. Maybe we can talk to you over the phone and see what we could do to get some of your great following in here and show them the world. But yeah, and I'll take good care of you, Brian. Don't worry. Okay. Well, welcome, traders. We had a wonderful day today. It was phenomenal. What can I say? Awesome calls trading just blew it out of the park today, without shadow of a doubt. And I even got, even the great dark side even mentioned it was a great call, and I'm honored when the great dark side, because dark side's a phenomenal day trader and a technical trader. He's one of the best in the world and just phenomenal. He's at a whole nother level. You literally speak with Darkseid for just a few moments, and you hear him and the knowledge he has from a technical aspect. Um, Today, it just gave me so much joy when he goes, "Great call on KRTX, AJ." I was just, whoa, okay. Because when you get it from your peers like that, and I get it from the room, and but when a mod that I respect tremendously comes out and says you did a good job, it really takes me and makes me feel good, because it's like, these are traders I respect just as much as they respect me. So KRTX should have been our number one play today, but it was actually, to be honest with you, it was a notable. This was a block trade, something that we trade all the time in the chat room, and it was a phenomenal trade. And I told everyone in the room to start buying the stock. At the block price was $99.75. Start buying around 98, 97, add all the way down to 90, and the stock will get back up to 100 to 102 on a slow grind to the upside. And the stock hit $102.83. It was a phenomenal trade. It was the best trade today, hands down. Call the day. We really rocked this one. So KRTX definitely deserves the love. The next one we did today was Netflix. Netflix, what I felt would get it bought up today. We were buying the weakness. There was a lot of upgrades on price targets this morning. It really had got me really momentum. Stock was actually gapping down. I went long the stock around $324, and you could see it was a pure win in the room. Went all the way to 338 within the first hour of day trading. The great dark side, it took over the break, called it out to 345, and now the stock continues to run. It's been a very well-paying trade. Phenomenal, really good. A lot of analysts came out and upgraded the stock. Netflix was a pure winner this morning. Tesla, great trade today from Tesla. Wonderful trade. We call it the long at 555 per the notes right here. Tesla would be 555 right here. And hold on a second, to 557, and then we wanted to go long. Once it broke 557, we figured it would have a nice run in it. So, and that's exactly what we did there. 555 to 557, and then we were looking for 570 for topping. The stock actually hit $582 a share. It was a great trade by Tesla. Next one we did today was Kodak. Kodak was a nice short for us. We called for a short at around $3.50, $3.50. We called it to $1.80. The stock hit $1.82. They were doing some tests on a drug with the coronavirus, but it's not the cure for the coronavirus, so we kind of just laughed at that. The next one that we did was Tear. Tear was a great short today. We called for a short at, this is how we played this one. We wanted a quick pop at the open to 81 to 82, scaling short, take it down. We were looking for $75 on the stock. The stock hit $74.95. And that was the trade for today on Tear. And right here, you could see on Tear, we were actually calling for $75 a share. The next one we were trading was Gatak, GATX. That was our number 6 pick. We wanted this one to pop a little bit at the open towards that 85 area if we could get it. We wanted the stock to come all the way down to 80 and under. We felt we'd have a sell-off. I did explain this also in Secret Sauce why I felt GATX. And I'll be honest with you, it's the first time I've ever traded this stock in my life. I've never traded this one before. I didn't even know this stock existed. And there it is. And the stock sold off. We wanted a little bit more pop at the open, but lower lows set in pretty quick, and it just became just a dive. Hit 78 a share. So that was a really good one. The next one that we did was Win. Win was a solid winner. I gave this one on Twitter for you for free. I felt Win was going to get back up to 138 to 140 on the gap fill. And Win is a fan favorite of mine, so I called it. And I even went live on Twitter, 133.90 and 134 long, and the stock ended up hitting 139.99 and stayed up there pretty much most of the day. The next one we did was Alec. Alex had chatter news. To me, this was just a natural sell-off. Wanted everyone to sell the stock, short it, pre-market at the open, take it down. I called 23.50 as bottom, and its stock hit 23.50 as bottom. You don't believe me? Right here, Alec, 23.50 as bottom. And last but not least, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, that's enough. That's what 8 charts. I did Z-Lab in the morning. I made a few bucks, but the stock ended up kind of being not the greatest call because it just ran all day, all the way up to 54 a share. Don't understand it myself. We traded HZO. This was a great call. I called for a short at 24 to hit 19.50. The stock hit $20.34. Let's see, CTX went a little bit higher than I expected. PAYC, this one I wanted to pop at the open at 322 and then sell off to 318 and under. So I might do a thing on here. This actually went up $2 a little bit more than I expected, but I think it was a fat finger that created it. Hold on one second. I'll show you. Yeah, it was a fat finger because that's the 324 right there. You see it? I was right. This is a fat finger. There's the trade. I was right. Hold on. I called 322 as a topping, and there's topping at 322, and it came down, and it's paying very well right now. So yeah, I think I'll do a chart. I'm looking for this to gap fill to. I'm actually liking 310. You know, they hit the S&P 500, but it needs to break 318, which it did now, and it snapped that. So now 310 would be the next in the cards, but 322 was a topping on it, and it did a fat finger at 324. But they're joining the S&P 500. That's huge. That's massive. It will not gap fill. It's not going to happen, but it will come down at least 10 points. And right now it's come down 8 points. So it's doing good. Hey, wonderful day to trade today. I mean, fuck yeah. Today gets a fuck yeah. Because of Slab, and I think it was INMD, and I think it was that other one, CTXS. I ended up getting an 80. I had 14 calls today though, but so it kind of hurt my average, and I only got 93%. So I will go back to 12 and get 97 to 100 tomorrow. But I just couldn't pass up on some of these. They were just too good too juicy, so to speak. Okay, so be good, be well, be safe, and mad love and respect to each and every one of you. Follow me on AJ Trader 7. Want to become a subscriber? Just hit the button right there, click it, and you are in, and we will be trading tomorrow together. Look forward to trading with all of you. You're all amazing. Take care. Bye-bye.